Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a really quick video about an experience I've had when I decided to try to find a more natural deodorant to use, something more healthy, okay? And started out with the brand Schmidts, which I really like. I believe this one is called Bergamot and Lime. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but this was my favorite. And I was having problems finding this particular scent. Some of the scents I didn't care for. So I decided, well, maybe I need to try another brand just in case they stop making that. So I went with Vitacost, and the brand is Jason. And this particular scent was apricot, which smells really, really nice. Neither of these are overwhelming. They're not going to interfere with your cologne, for example. But to give you a rundown of the two, in my opinions, the Schmidts, it's kind of a creamy looking color here, and it's the texture, it goes on nicely, but it has a bit of a grit to it, and that's because it has baking soda in it, and it will stick to your underarms. Works really well, but when you're taking a shower, you're going to notice you really have to use a cloth and get in there and clean that off. It's not just going to slide off or anything. But I really did like this one, and don't worry about the grit. It's not uncomfortable. It doesn't stain your clothes or anything like that. It's nice. I really like this brand. The Jason, on the other hand, the pros, it's also good for you. You know, the company's great. Now, it did have a warning. Immediate post-shave application may cause slight skin irritation. If rash or irritation occurs, stop use. Consult a physician. That's a little concerning, but I guess that's probably on everything and I just didn't notice it. But this one is very slick, very comfortable going on. It really is. It has glycerin in it, and I'm quite sure that's what's given it its slip. The scent, like I said, was nice, but within about 3 hours, not a pleasant topic to talk about, but I could smell body odor from underneath my arms. 3 hours. Now you have to understand that I work in the customer service field. I work in my home office. It's not a strenuous job, you know. It's not like I'm out doing manual labor or working in a garden or running or whatever, you know, working out at a gym. It's none of that that would cause me to work up a sweat. And yet this one just, within 3 hours, it was bad. So I went ahead and tried it the next day, you know, I plugged away with it. Same thing. So I won't be repurchasing the Jason. I'm not even going to finish using it. Now, if you are someone who wanted to keep it handy and maybe reapply it throughout the day, like I said, goes on like a dream. Very slick, very comfortable. Scent is pleasant. But I am not going to be reapplying this every few hours. So this is a fail for me. Now, I will take into consideration the fact that maybe it's because, you know, I'm going through menopause, maybe. Maybe the hormones are different, but it didn't seem to affect this brand. So just wanted to share my thoughts on these two with you guys. And if you've tried any, you know, comment below, because I am always looking for a healthier product to use. That doesn't mean everything I use is, but I am trying to slowly get there. And I did want to share this with you though. So thanks for tuning in today, and I will see you next week. Bye. Baking powder in it. Let's just start over. It's not baking powder. Okay.